Well, you don't need us to tell you that buying a home in Victoria can be expensive. Tonight, there's a new report that confirms it. It comes from a Winnipeg-based think tank that says Victoria ranks number 9 in the world in lack of housing affordability. The report lists Victoria as severely unaffordable. Now, Vancouver came in number 1 on the list when housing costs and median income are combined. The study examined more than 270 metropolitan markets in several countries, including Canada, the U.S., and Australia.
It's sunny and warm on Canada's west coast. No wonder so many people want to live here. But a new report says Victoria is one of the least affordable cities in the country to buy a home. The report, released by the Frontier Centre for Public Policy, a Winnipeg-based think tank, says Victoria ranks number 9 in the world in lack of housing affordability. The Victoria Real Estate Board says housing prices aren't necessarily going up.
We've had record months in purchases. October, November, July of last year, those were all record purchase months. There are people coming here and buying.
The 6th annual Demographia International Affordability Survey, released Monday, looked at 272 metropolitan markets in Canada, the U.S., the U.K., Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland. The study says Vancouver was the most unaffordable market last year when median housing sale values are compared to median household incomes.
The bigger crisis point is the people working in service industries who can't afford to even think about buying a home anyway.
Brian Hill represents the Community Council, a nonprofit agency that provides information and engagement on social issues. He is also a first-time homebuyer.
We know that there are employers looking at workforce housing because they can't recruit people because of the housing costs in the region.
The Housing Affordability Survey calls on governments to allow more housing to be built on the fringes of urban areas to keep costs down. Hill says that concept flies in the face of strategies of density and creative approaches to housing.
The report doesn't like the idea of densifying, building up, having condos, having urban vitality. And I think that there is a lot of opportunity in those kinds of strategies for housing affordability.
The Victoria Real Estate Board says the average price of a single-family house in Greater Victoria in December was just over $650,000, with the median at $555,000. The average price of a condominium was just over $345,000. The median price, $289,000. With more and more demand, some worry cities like Vancouver and Victoria will become the domain of those who can afford it. In Victoria, Eric Thompson, A News.